first written record of the plant that we're discussing today in 90-second natives was made in Australia in a coastal environment much like this one. And it was made by a man called James Backhouse. And here's what it said.
Taking therefore my compass, I determined to make my way direct to my companions, whom I succeeded in reaching after some fatigue by wading through a lagoon and crossing some steep hills. The latter was overgrown by Myrtus tenuifolia, a myrtle of low stature with narrow leaves and sweet aromatic white berries spotted with purple. These are the most agreeable native fruit I have tasted in Australia. They are produced so abundantly as to afford an important article of food to the Aborigines.
So what is this delicious bush food? How do you grow it? Well, let's see how much I can tell you about it in 90 seconds. Start the clock now. Okay, so first of all, it can be quite a fussy plant. The biggest thing you need to know about growing Austromyrtus or Midyim berries is that they need really good drainage around the roots. If you don't have good drainage, they are susceptible to root rot and they will not make it. I have lost a few of these plants in my time. When you are growing them, they have the most beautiful new red growth. The berries look amazing. They're like a white or a grey with blue or dark grey speckles, and they've been touted as Australia's version of the blueberry. So it's a native blueberry, if you will. There are two forms which you'll currently find in cultivation, and that is Austromyrtus dulcis and Austromyrtus, oh, I forgot the name of it, but so dulcis is the coastal version, which is the one that James Backhouse spoke about, which apparently fruits a lot more vigorously than the forest version. The forest version doesn't fruit as much, doesn't flower as much. So if you're one of the people that has contacted me and said that yours isn't fruiting and flowering, that could be why. Also, the forest version grows upright and the coastal version grows prostrate, which means it grows along the ground more. It's a much lower shrub, and you'll find that they are now cultivating a cross which is supposed to have the best of both worlds, and I think I'm out of time. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this 90-second native and there's a plant that you'd like me to do a 90-second native on, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. You can message me on Facebook via the Wood Wide Web Education Facebook page or on Instagram as well. Okay, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. When you support the channel, then it gives me further momentum towards the goal of monetization. And once I monetize, I can quit my day job and spend a lot more time creating quality videos, which will hopefully give you more information about the Australian natural world and bringing nature to you. So until we get into it next time, have a great week.